Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to see your password, Instagram password on it. So to be honest, you will not able to see your password uh, if you didn't save on your browser. So you will not able to see your password on your Google on your Instagram application. So you have to log in first on your browser, then go to your browser like Google Chrome, and then you can see this is the page. So what you need to do, you need to tap here three dot right top corner on your screen, and then scroll down, then you'll see the option settings. Tap the settings and scroll down, then here you'll see the option password manager. Simply tap on the password manager, then you have to search here Instagram. So you will see all your Instagram account, but you need to confirm your login password, and after that you can see it's your eye icon. Once you tap on the eye icon, then your password will be revealed and you will learn about your password. So for example, if you tap here, then you can see this is a password, and there are a lot of account here. So this way you can know your Instagram password. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.